here in San Marcos, Texas. Taking a look at Spirit Halloween here, and we're going to take a look at Freaky Finds. Let's go inside. Put my mask on. Hey, who is that guy right there? That's Buzzsaw, isn't it? He's so cool, isn't he? Ooh, oh, my wife broke it. Is it a sensor? Maybe, maybe not. Watch out, he's gonna hit you in the head. Oh. Get down the side. How cool, huh? And then we got Evelyn over here. Ooh. She's spooky, huh? She needs to open her eyes. Uh-oh. Mom almost got scared. You Mr. Hal. Uh-oh. He's big, huh? She's supposed to say some stuff. She was kind of red a second ago. Right here.
Oh, there it is.
I don't think she's working properly though. Oh, there we go.
Well, yeah, she's supposed to say something.
Yeah. Not really saying much. Oh, look at now, everybody's coming. It's a party here, Spirit Halloween.
Well, they got her because she's not working properly.
Oh, how you doing?
You could buy her.
Yeah. You want to do the spider over there, Harps? Go do the jumping spider. Step on the footpad. You want me to do it? Or the little boy gonna do it? Ah, it jumped. That was cool, huh? All right, let's go look around and see. What's that? Yeah, we bought you some of those last year. The white, they were white. They're not candy though. They're just squishy eyeballs that your brother throws on the roof and stains the roof. And I bought you some of these. Remember, this is where I got the glow-in-the-dark spiders and all that. Yeah, let's go look around. Let's see if there's anything new in this store. Oh, I like this. Look at this. The Sanderson sisters. Hocus Pocus. Who's that clown right there? Who is that? Yeah, who is this? That's a cute mug. Donald Duck, that's right. What does this say? Trick or treat. That kind of lights up. Not too well, but it does light up. Oh no. What else? Look at all these masks. Ooh, we got a crazy clown right there, huh, Harps? Look at this, we got zombies. You know what I like the best? Oh, you gonna put the werewolf? Ooh. You gonna put your hand in there? Oh no, that's so scary. Now you look like Mr. Howells.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have some creepy hands.
Ooh, Mom, put the other one on her other hand.
Yeah. Where the other one?
She should have wore your spandex so you can put your phone in.
I know. I wasn't thinking what happened.
Oh no.
I didn't know where you were going.
Mr. Howells. All right, let me activate Mrs. Howells. What? That is so crazy.
She needs this. To do the whole thing. Ready?
Oh, hold on, give me your phone.
Close your eyes. You see?
All right, there we go. What does the fox say? No, 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 no. All right, ready?
It's a little big for her.
Oh, let me do it. Ready?
Do it.
Arr, that is so scary.
Oh
I
man.
like that, Harpy. But anyways, you know what I was saying? I like scarecrows the best. Oh, that's pretty neat. I haven't seen this one. The toxic zombie. Oh, lordy. Silent Hill. This Pyramid Head. I ain't messing with this thing. No way. No way. What? It's gonna get me. Ah! That thing is huge, huh? It's well made. Maybe we'll get it on clearance. Lots of cool masks, huh?
Yeah.
Look at some of them light up too. Not that one. That one's pretty neat.
Yeah.
What about this one? Oh, spooky. Can you push the button on this one?
Yeah. See, it gets brighter.
It's not that bright, but it's bright enough.
This one's supposed to have one.
That's the Evil Dead right there. Oh, I like that one. You know, I like that one from last year. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Nice stalker.
Look at all these eyeballs. It's like an eyeball mask. That's pretty scary.
Eyes on you.
Ooh, eyes on you. Look at this. We have a Chucky. On this side, maybe? There he is. That's the Chuckster, huh? They got these, babe. Oh, shit. They finally got them here. Oh,
The other one.
did they got the clown?
This one?
No, Crouchy.
Which one? What's his name?
Crouchy.
Crouchy.
Oh, they got all these. These are the new ones. Do it again. I'll do this one again.
This one?
Sometimes they have more sayings.
I'm the happiest clown on earth. Here to be your best friend.
All right, one more time. Let's just see.
Wow, now that deserves a valuable plate.
Awesome. Go ahead and do the whip man.
Want a little candy? Come on. I won't hurt you much.
How cool. Oh.
Come here. Take a little bite.
Oh my goodness. Music's way too loud. Nah, that's old.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, look at the Stay Puft. He's so cool. That's Brian from SpookYouLaterz, man. I gotta lose some weight. The Ouija board. It's a Ouija board. There's a Ouija blanket. Anything new here? None of the new ones here? No. We got these Beetlejuice snow globes. These are really neat. I hadn't seen those. They have the big full-size Beetlejuice here. They should set them up. Uh-oh, is this the Sidestepper ghost face? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
They finally got that one.
Here.
Oh no, you're a killer clown from outer space.
I think she'd be a cute little clown.
Yeah, she would.
She'd be adorable.
They do have some of the killer clowns from outer space. Got the baseball bat. I like this. It's pretty heavy duty. It's very nice. You could probably actually hurt somebody with that. And then we got the little dudes here. We got the mask and the costumes up here. Ooh. All right, so this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz signing out from Spirit Halloween. All righty, so we're exiting the building. Until next time, this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Stay spooky, my friends.